Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creative. Today I'm going to show you all a very healthy and tasty salad, and stay tuned till the end to see that magical ingredient which we are going to add to the salad for that weight loss thing. So here I'm taking few vegetables. You can go ahead and take the vegetables which are like available at your home. So here I'm taking like cucumber, carrot, onion and capsicum, and also boiled chana, which is like very tasty. So I have already boiled it with a little bit of salt. And here what I'm gonna do is like I'm just cleaning all the vegetables, just peeling off its skin, and then I'm gonna wash it. So here, as I said, whatever vegetable is like available at your home, you can go ahead and take that. So what you can do is like you can use this salad whenever you are like craving for some food, especially during like 4 p.m. and like 11 a.m. those times, like we just crave for some snack. So at that time you can completely avoid those like oily snack and go ahead and have this, which is like really healthy, as well as it is like very tasty too. And also what you can do is like you can have this for your lunch as well as for your dinner. What you can do is like if you are having rice, you can like reduce the amount of the rice which you are consuming during lunch or like dinner, and have more of this salad. As well as even during dinner, if you are having like chapati or some other thing, you just cut down that and have more of this salad. So I'm not telling you guys to completely avoid those. You can just reduce the amount of rice and go for like more of these vegetables, which would eventually help you to reduce your weight. At least it's like healthy, that we can trust. So what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna chop all these vegetables in like small pieces, as you guys can see here. So apart from vegetables, I have also taken lettuce and coriander leaf and also mint leaf. Again, all these green leafy things are like very good for your health, and you guys know how much good is like this cucumber, carrot, tomato. All these are like very good for your health, and since we are not cooking it, we do not lose any of the vitamins which are there in these vegetables. So it's gonna be very tasty as well as very healthy. So try to have consistency in this. Try to have this salad every day, and definitely you can see the result. As well as you need to do the exercise as well. So try it on. This is not gonna do any harm for you. This is gonna be very healthy for your for your body, your skin, your hair, everything. So definitely try it. So I have here taken one green chili. So if you want, you can avoid this and add pepper. If you want, you can avoid completely this pepper and green chili, and then give it to your kids. If they are gonna love it, then that's great. I don't know how many kids are gonna enjoy vegetable, but still you can just try it out. So I have again chopped all the green leafy things into like very small fine pieces, and I have put it all together in one bowl, and I have added like this boiled chana, and I have squeezed out half a lemon. Next we are gonna add that special ingredient which is gonna help for our weight loss, that is like flax seeds, which is like rich in omega-3, and it helps to boost our metabolism, and that way it helps for our weight loss. I'm adding like 1 to 2 spoons of flax seeds. It's better to like add flax seed in like grounded form. It's always better to use in that way, but since I didn't had that time, I just add it as it is. Then I'll be adding a little bit of salt and giving it a quick mix. And now if we want to add like a little bit of more taste to this salad, you can add a pinch of chaat masala, which I absolutely loved, but then it's like optional. Here we can also add 1 spoon of like extra virgin coconut oil, but then I'm a Malayali South Indian. I always cook my food in like coconut oil only, so I didn't go for it, but you guys can definitely go ahead and do it. So please try it out guys, and let me know how it worked for you. And this is the dinner for the day for me. So hope you all have enjoyed watching this. Try it out and let me know how it turned out for you all. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all.